This is where we left last video. That's kind of what we have right now. I think we should kind of like start adding the drop and making the drop so we can work on the rest of the track, like the break, the intro, the build up and all the other things, because we have not that much time left to finish this track. But let's get on and add some effects to the drop. It sounds kind of dry. I want a fat white noise downlifter in the drop. So we can do like this, and I know a smart method to make more out of your white noise and downlifters. I always like okay, let's cut the lows and a bit of the highs. Nice. What I do is like I add a kickstart. And then we automate it. Woo! That's something new in this kind of serious course. It makes the downlifter not too pushy, and we have the beginning where it goes through like with the kick and the start notes. But after a few steps, it kind of works in with the kick and the bass we have here. Like it follows the same pattern, and it's not that loud. So we can like add this as well. Send a bit down to this one. And what we'll work on as well is like let's see this one, and then reverse it and kind of like lower it in the volume. Maybe we should add a impact as well, an impact here. Let's just by listening now, I feel like we still need some more sound and vibe in this one. It's a nice one, but maybe we have a normal one. Okay, and we okay, like let's see. Let's see. Let's add something to pimp it up. Like we have this, and we'll turn like so it. Yeah, okay, it works. Maybe yes, let's kind of focus on the build up now. So we have kind of like that in the place. We can add this, and of course, what is a EDM track without a fill in? I don't know how to explain it, but more like let's kind of see what happens now. Okay, so it needs something, so let's kind of like fast make a quick cut here. Add some high to the a small reverb. And when I say small, I mean small. The sidechain to not start here. We want it to begin in here. And kind of like not here or here, but when the drops, you know, when the beat drop. So it sounds kind of like this now. Can't actually hear anything till we work on this. We'll be doing the same with the sub here. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm making a editor thumbnail, which I don't know why, but this is the kind of way I'm using to make some automations, and it kind of works. So let's do the same here and make sure that sounds like it works, so why not keep doing it? Yeah, you can hear the difference in a few seconds when we have it all worked out here. And do like this, and then this, and like this. What I'm doing is that I'm making the low frequencies go away just by automating it. while we are at it, we can work with the sidechain here. We don't want the sidechain to continue into the bridge. So yeah, okay, let's work on this right here. We want it to be popping up again. And down here at the end of the drop, we kind of wanted to do the same. And we also want the bass to do it, because we want the bass to fade out with this kind of thing, and we want the bass to be more cutting off than the chords kind of thing. So let's see. Wow, amazing, simply amazing. Okay, so yeah. And do like this again. I think we want something kind of sick here. I want the build up to come in like, okay, something's about to happen and you're gonna be blown away. So what I'm thinking about is that our build up is practically done. Nice, that was the build up, and the drop is done.